This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Solange Mariani. Contemporary townhome nestled in the Heights. Home features a great open floor plan that is multi-leveled in the living/dining/kitchen area to give the rooms separation, but create an open-air feel. Granite countertops throughout the home, with custom cabinetry and floating staircase. Kitchen has upgraded stainless steel appliances and a huge island for entertaining. Do not forget to step out onto the terrace off the master bedroom, to take in the panoramic views. Close by all the Heights bars, restaurants and attrations. For more information, review the details below or contact Solange Mariani at 832-309-6874.